Hello, good day, gentlemen. Welcome to Oliver Hobby. Here, that's the 8x8 LESU chassis run-off dumper, customized making with all metal CNC metal cabin and special painting metallic gray color. Now, let's see what function details this one got. And we fitted it with a FlySky XE radio with fine contour 3D sticks. Now let's see the functions. So got the light and sound system. It is our customized sound system. And for the LED, it is circulating bumper and top, on and off, one by one, and also top. Now steering, you have turning LED, the clicking sound. Right, and if you push it forward, also we can switch on the flashing LED rear side and side also have. Switch it off. Sound system, let's hear how it sounds like. Horn, start the engine. Let's check the details. For all what you can see here, black color as the top fan, this cover and mirror. This part, all this black one is plastic one as the mirror. And this metallic, this gray color, they are all metal one. Front engine cover can be open, but here it's all metal one, yeah. Cannot see inside, only magnetic secure. And left and right door, we all can open. Left driver side door open. And we can see the inside decorations. I put the little driver. So all this black door, inside decoration plastic, only this seat, this rubber one, yeah. And steppers also, this black one also, they are metal. When you open it, hear it. Metal sound and very smooth this connection. When you touch it, it's so cold and feel well solid metal. So let's see the mudguard here, plastic one, with this solid CNC aluminum, this bottle. Actually inside we have the pump inside. And here steel mudguard with all these flowers. Or steel one. This frame also keeps the steel color, no painting, looks good. But if you like something big painted different, also all these parts can be painted. Only this one with the flower stainless steel cannot painting, otherwise it's easy peel off. And all these hubs, CNC aluminum one, and with all these inside, all these bolts, and also all these hubs inside are with bearing for connection, smooth turning the wheels, and all the wheels are no gear reduction from the hub. Yeah, it's directly the axle driver shaft with bearing connecting to hubs. And for the rear details, here we have the rear LED with metal bars, rear girder. Here we also can add one more hook with pins, and also the mudguard here reaching this position, and the roller for run-off. Let's see the LED, steering left, right, and when you drive it now, I'm putting neutral position. Drive forward, brake, then reverse, steering. Now we're sliding forward, then rear door will be open for directly dumping. Open. Sliding a little back, closed. Forward, then rising, then we will see under the bucket the details. So directly dumping door is already open. Sliding out the cargo. That's the maximum angle. 2 brass cylinder for rising, that's the steel bar. And here that's the main arm, which can foldable for run off, but now it is locked as one part for directly dumping. So from here, the arm inside, we have the cylinder for sliding forward and back. Here, that's the locking mechanism. After remove the bucket, we can see more clearly. This is the door locking and unlocking mechanism. Unlock the cabin and lift up, reveal what is on the cabin. So here we have the pulling wire holding it. And all these inner decoration plastic parts, we have the receiver, customized soundboard, all the functions wires, driven ESC, drive brushed motor, and a reducing gearbox connected to shifting gearbox. That's the LED distribution board. And also this is the middle connection for the LED functions. And we got the 2-speed gearbox, then leading the shining CVT drive shaft going back to the middle transfer case at this position. Here, left side box inside have 2-channel valve. Later we can see from the chassis part. And 2 valve, 1 valve leading the hose to middle here. Distribution is connection block. So 2 holes, 1 separate to 3, 1 separate to 3. So 3 cylinder for rising and lowering. 2 cylinder here leading the hose for the 2 cylinder, rising and lowering. Actually, after the bucket going down, sitting flat, cannot be rising by these 2 cylinder because it's horizontal. So there, under there is a number 3 cylinder pushing this bar. So 1 lowering, rising is pushing up the bucket with the arm, then have the angle for this 2 cylinder for rising. Now another valve leading the hose to back side. So the hose go up to the rear arm for this cylinder sliding forward and back. Let's roll it off. First sliding back, then rising will be rolling it off. The arm is folding and the roller sliding back. Now, drive forward would be releasing the hook. For the bucket rear door, let's see how it is open and closed. That's the locking bar. Pulling and push by this bar, and if pushing under the chassis have pushing bar. If pushing, it is open, unlocked. Also this one, same time, unlock, lock. Now let's see from the arm, how is the mechanism. For the arm and the cylinders moving, this one for the sliding, forward and back. And for the lowering, rising, lowering, damping, roll and off by these 2 cylinder. So let's see here we have this bar, 4 bar, 2 outside fixed. Inner side is for pushing the bar for rear door locking and unlocking, so it can move. So when this one sitting back onto the girder, is pushing this bar, that's moving it, this bar moving forward, it is not pushing here locking bar, so the door is locked. Now it is unlocked, the door open. For roll and off, the arm and bucket, they are separate, so can folding. Yeah? Now let's see how this one can be bucket and arm as one part for directly dumping, not folding it. So here I have the bar and the bucket. This bucket bottom, we have here have bar. It will be sliding forward, locking to this bar. And forward on top, this locking, pulling this hook and as one part. Now I will hook it up, align with the roller. Yeah, so hook it up. Now still can bending as roll and off, holding it, sliding it forward. Then it would be here, this bar pushing on this bar, locking as one part. Check it. Sliding forward. Sliding in, out, and folding. And sliding in, lock. Forward, lock as one part for directly damping. Let's turn it over, check the chassis, all metal one, with CNC aluminum axle and steel gears, steel shining CVT drive shaft. Check the full chassis, see how it's looking like. And now see the details. So here, that's the steering servo. Check how it's turning. I will check only moving small angle because it's pushing the weight on it. And the right side, that's the servo for differential lock, pulling 4 wires same time. Lock, unlock, and driver, unlock, differential, lock it. Now lock 8 by 8. Unlock. Then let's see. So from the gearbox top. So here, this one metal gearbox, 2-speed shifting, and coming out CVT drive shaft, steel shining one, all the way leading to middle transfer case, then output to forward axle to rear axle. How it's turning. And now it is at low speed gear. Let's check how this servo shifting the gear. That's the connecting bar for shifting. This position is low speed, neutral position, and high speed. Shifting back to neutral, low speed. Front suspension. And rear suspension. Right side here, that's the oil tank, suction line, and this side box from left is the 2-well block, and pump ESC is here, and the wire follow it, the ESC go to here. This one, it is the pump motor and the pump. Coming back to the valve. So the valve forward leading to the damping, rising, and lowering. Yeah? Rear side leading to the sliding forward and back. So for the damping, for the double cylinder, also connecting distribution to this cylinder for compensating, pushing up the bucket arm for more power angle to the 2 double cylinder. Now check. When rising, it will push it. Now pulling back, actually from top is pushing. So when the cylinder pulling back on top, it's rising. And the cylinder pushing out, it's going down. Now we already see all the details. Roll it back. See if aligned. Okay, aligned. Then sliding forward. Not all the way, because all the way forward, door is open. A little bit back. That's the sitting tight position. Let's go. Well done. Engine sound go off. Thank you for watching this all-metal hydraulic 8x8 roll and off damper. And for special customizing any color, any special request for electronics radio settings, please talk to me directly. I will get it arranged nicely for you. And welcome to my oliverhobby.com to view many different RC models. Always at your service. See you, gentlemen.